Hey, what's going on, guys? Xynx back here with another P-Pop SB19 reaction. It's our last day before we go over to the San Francisco concert, and the last songs we have to listen to are actually their solos. And so today we have Pablo's La Luna, we have Felip's Criminal and Stray Dogs, and then we have Josh Cullen's Get Right and Wild Tonight. You guys mentioned that Stell actually does a cover of Defying Gravity from Wicked, which is also the first musical I've ever seen, and just so happened to be in San Francisco as well. So I'm very familiar with that song, and I'm actually nervous for Stell because I know how high that can get. And then to top it off, Justin has a cover of a One Direction song, Little Things. I'm not familiar with the song, not too familiar with One Direction either, but I'll go ahead and add it to my playlist tonight just so I can get a little bit familiar with the song. By the way, all these songs that I've been reacting to are all on my playlist. I've been repeating over and over. I think I've got most of the melodies and the arrangements down. It's just the lyrics, especially Tagalog lyrics. But I'm learning. I'm trying to learn. But anyways, we got 5 songs to listen to, and I still have to finish packing, so let's go ahead and get to the music. But before we do, if you could hit the like and subscribe buttons down below, that would be greatly appreciated. Let's get to the music. Alright guys, we're going to start off with Pablo La Luna. Now I don't know what genre it is, or whatever, crazy thing his mind has thought up this time. But there's only one way to find out, so let's go ahead and take a look here. La Luna, the moon. Looks kind of creepy. Oh.
Anong ingay yun? San nanggaling yun? Sa tagal nakakulong bilang araw ng panahon. Teka, got my shackles on, that means I am home. Got no room for visitors, it'd be best if y'all leave me alone. Hey, go away, I'd be rude if I ask you to stay. Cause I'm gon' pray, right before I try to eat my prey. You know what they say, who cares what they say? Don't invade my space, cause if you do, then I'll leave you like what you doing. Not okay. Siguro nga
like split personalities.
para ako'y magising. Harapin at yakapin, tunay na ako'y magiging. Alamin mga bagay na makakaya kong gawin. Kapag ang takot at kinakatakutan ko'y ako rin. Kahit saan magpunta'y biging uhaw ay di darating. Ako'y magpapakalasing sa tugong bawat magpiling. Umagay di na darating, buwan ay laging nakatingin. Di na usong huling hiling, tara simulan natin.
Okay. Oh, this is so cool. There's a lot of like ad-lib vocals, background vocals being panned to the left and right. I don't know if you guys can hear that on headphones or anything, but like on my headphones, I just hear like voices whispering and yelling in, one side to the other side. And you get like little growls and laughs and all that stuff going on too. But like visually, I mean, we have that whole like overlay of scribbles and everything on there. You see like little faces every so often, and I noticed like on his profile picture on YouTube, it has some sort of that same style of image there on his face. This I kind of expected it from Pablo, with how his creative mind works. There's a lot of wordplay, I'm sure, but like obviously it's like a split personality or like two different sides of him. I don't know if he's speaking from his own personal experience or if he's just writing a song just to write it, but I'm pretty sure it's the former. But I want to go back a little bit because I want to pay more attention to the lyrics. Yeah, let's go back to right here. Because I was mostly paying attention to just the visuals and just the audio painting that he's doing right here. So let's take a closer look at what he's actually saying.
San nanggaling yun? Sa tagal nakakulong bilang araw ng panahon. Teka, got my shackles on, that means I am home. Got no room for visitors, it'd be best if y'all leave me alone. Hey, go away, I'd be rude if I ask you to stay. Cause I'm gon' pray, right before I try to eat my prey. You know what they say, who cares what they say? Don't invade my space, cause if you do, then I'll leave you like what you doing. Not okay.
So it's like he feels trapped. He feels like I don't know, alone or something, or like he can't express himself. So he wants to be kind of isolated a little bit so that he can, you know, be in his own thoughts there. But it seems, well, we see when this other character comes into play.
I'm gonna pray right before I try to eat my prey. You know what they say. Who cares what they say? Don't invade my space, cause if you do, then I'll leave you like what you doing. Not okay. Siguro nga panahon na para ako'y magising. Harapin at yakapin, tunay na ako'y magiging. Alamin mga bagay na makakaya kong gawin. Kapag ang takot at kinakatakutan ko'y ako rin. Kahit saan mag...
It's like his other half telling him to go for it, that he shouldn't be afraid of stepping out. And right here it says, you know, find out all the things that I will be able to do. You know, he's trying to talk himself into actually going for whatever, you know, whatever his goal is. You know, to stop himself from stopping himself. And let me just say, I am not good with lyrics analyzation. This is my own personal thoughts. I could be completely wrong, but this is, again, just what my initial thoughts are. Okay, let's continue. Now I'm getting shy.
But I'm trying to avoid trouble. I'll admit keeping myself to myself isn't ideal. Should I really go out there and be healthy? Though it's clear that the whole world is a frivolous day. Okay, I've been living all my life right behind these bars. I'll be the life, the night got for all these. Cause I like your mind, I think I'm very 6 feet. What's beneath the pain that came from Halifax? These are my lifelines, all time, it's my time. Love to mess, twists and turns, yeah. I'll keep updating my timeline.
It's like the beast is being released. Man, this is an epic soundtrack here. That's a cool visual right there.
Di kailanman kailangan ng maraming kaibigan na sa kalagitnaan ng digmaan ay nawawala. At kung kailangan wala sila, yun ay di problema. Kayang-kaya at matagal na ginagawa.
Still got those ad-libs in the back.
Iba'y iniisip na sila'y pag wala sila. Pwede ako tulad nila, hibang ka ba? Sa wala ako'y namoy sa wala kung pa'y napagkain na lupa. San man mapagpadaking pa, di inidahan na kalips na. Hanggang sa, di na malaya na ang puso ay bato na. Kaya kinulong ang sarili mag-isa at binigay ang natatanging susi na meron ako sa kan. Yeah! At kung mahanap ang sarili, magkukusa luluwas sa lungga. At magsisimula, ito ang lalo na. Hindi kita pipilitin na maliwala ang ipin. Mas nakikita kapag ito'y wala.
Oh man, I love that line right there. Was it? A tooth is more noticeable if it's missing. It's I've never thought about it that way. I mean, obviously you have the literal meaning, you know, a tooth is more noticeable if it's missing. You'll notice a gap in the teeth rather than, you know, if you have a whole smile there. It's like you gotta step away from the norm, the crowd, in order to stand out, right? I didn't think it could get more intense. Pablo. All right, so that was Pablo's La Luna. Now I did a quick glance to see what else he released. I didn't see too much. There was one with like question marks, but this song was actually pretty cool by itself. I can kind of relate to that that first persona there, where he's kind of doubting himself. He's kind of you know, locking himself away, because that's how I usually feel. Like, part of the reason why I started this YouTube channel in the first place was to step out of my comfort zone and just do something that I had a little bit of passion into doing without knowing how to do it, or actually, like, what am I gonna say? Like, every time before I start recording a reaction video, I kind of have to talk myself into doing it. Not because I'm like lazy or anything, but because I have those doubts, like, what are people gonna think of me? Do I even make sense? You know, in this day and age where everyone has access to the internet and can hide behind usernames and everything, it takes a lot to step out and put an opinion out there, knowing that at any moment anyone can just come in, comment, and, you know, bash it, or, you know, say you're wrong, or even attack you personally with something that has nothing to do with what you're saying. But then you get this other voice, this other personality beside you that's telling you, hey, you know what, don't be shackled by your doubts, don't be shackled by what other people are going to think. If it's something you're passionate about, just step out and do it. Be that missing tooth. And now that I say that, I feel self-conscious about my teeth. So, oh gosh, now I'm calling attention to it. Quickly to the next video. We've got Felip, Criminal. This is a visualizer. No lyrics, or no English subtitles at least, and HD. Let's go. Oh, this is pretty trippy. I like the classical acoustic guitar though. Okay, well, one, I don't think I've seen a skull in any other SB19 related video, so that is interesting. But then this voice came out of nowhere, and I was not expecting that. I'm expecting like something really low. Okay, let's bring it back.
I'm a criminal, what can I take it off tonight? I don't wanna mic sick, I just wanna forget, need an antidote, yeah. I'm a criminal, what can I
know his voice was versatile, but this is cool. Oh, there we go. That's what I was expecting.
Poison in my blood stuck on me. Blink an eye, I will let you say. How boy you let me take it? Running in my mind, just stop it. Why can't it have you? What's so confused? Every single
I like this song.
Trying to make a scene, yeah. Trying to save myself, yeah. I'm so addicted, hot, yeah. 743, I'm not myself, yeah. Swear you gotta do this to me.
Looks like the visualizer just looping, so
How about you just give it to me?
let's listen to the song.
Think I got mixed personalities.
Just want to take you off my mind. Take your time. I just want to take you off my mind.
Oh my god,
Take your time.
You know I can take it.
this is a great song.
You know I can take it, yeah. You know I can take it, huh? You know I can take it, yeah.
You know I can take it now. I can take it.
He has like a million voices in this thing.
You know I can take it now. I can take it now. I can take it now. Yeah. You know I can take it now. I can take it now. I can take it now. Yeah. You know I can take it now. I can take it now. I can take it now.
Who's on my name? Something I wanna see a little day. I never do get bali today. I could bahula dali today. I got look like a bali today. I'm so obsessed a little day. I gotta just wanna say. Uncover that I gotta say. Who's on my name? Something I wanna see a little day. I never do get bali today. I could bahula dali today. I got look like a bali today. I'm so obsessed a little day. I gotta just wanna say. Uncover that I gotta say.
I'm a criminal, can I take it off tonight? I don't wanna miss it, I just wanna forget, need an antidote, yeah. I'm a criminal, can I
All the voices come together here.
tonight? I don't wanna miss it, relax, break it, and this clip to me, yeah. I just want to take you
That's so cool.
off my mind. Take your time. I just want to take you off my mind. Take your time.
Ken or Felip, I applaud you. As a fellow lower voice person, this is awesome. I kind of want to try making those voices. Should I try it? Okay, wait, let me rewind.
I'm a criminal, what can I?
Rise so high.
I'm having fun, guys. Sorry. This isn't what you're expecting on a reaction, probably, but
Poison in my
Just know when I'm listening to this in the car, on the way to the concert, or even in the shower, I'm gonna be doing all these voices here.
I just want to take you off my mind.
Okay, next song. That was a fun song. I really like that one. We've got a lot of songs to go through, but I am marking that one down as probably one of my favorites so far. Very unexpected with all the different voice types and qualities. The fact that Felip's the one doing all of those, that's pretty cool. Very inspiring. All right, Felip, we've got his other song here, Stray Dogs. I don't know if it's in the same type of genre. It's from the same EP that he put out, I think. What's the name of the EP? Complex. So that's something we gotta check out later. But so we have Criminal, and now we have Stray Dogs. And it's gonna be interesting to see in concert too. Especially Criminal, how he's gonna do all those voices, if he's gonna do them. And then you know, let's see what we got with Stray Dogs. So we got an actual music video for this one. Oh, look at his hair. So this was before Gento, right? When he had short hair already.
Look at his drip, look at his face, dauntless. Look at his cash, look at his pants, look at his blights, nodded. Look at his eyes, look at judge, won't even miss a day. Limit was not okay. Hey, bang all his mouth, think loaded, dirty.
He's so cool.
Yeah, you decide that the net is sticking by night. Hey, I decide, I guess all carambas can't bite.
Definition of swag. Where is he? Looks like Japanese. Or I mean, looks like Japan. Yeah, it looks like Japan. Hope your idols get offended.
Like a storm, you make it cold. My whole rap be like damn, screaming, telling be like damn, yeah. Look, dog, I'm super elite, yeah. Trendsetter, extra unique. If you hate it, you want a minute.
I like that part.
Gotta get the money for a minute. Can't be the numero uno, bottom to top with the uno. So, just get barking like you want it. STRAYDOGS in here for this low flow, man. I'm going cold. Gum shit.
Gum shit.
But I'm never gonna tell them I'm that bad, man. Just keep barking like you want it.
Okay, that's one voice I can't do, like the kind of a aggressive yelling deep voice. Like I can't do that.
But I'm never gonna tell them I'm that bad, man. If it's STRAYDOGS, flipping different STRAYDOGS. 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 I see the wolf with them closed up. Get him away, used to be loco. Get us a no, don't wanna hurt you. I'm not a superhero, villain a superhero. See these pants, see this shirt,
That's what?
got my Gucci, see this.
Hold on.
See these pants, see this shirt,
That's oh, like Balenciaga, right? Talking about clothes.
See these pants, see this shirt,
I was like, I don't think I've ever heard them curse or anything before.
You can praise me, but I'm never gonna tell them I'm the bad man. Just keep barking like you want it up. STRAYDOGS in there for that low flow, man. I'm going cold. Gum shit. You can praise me, but I'm never gonna tell them I'm the bad. If it's STRAYDOGS, flipping different STRAYDOGS. If it's STRAYDOGS, flipping different STRAYDOGS. If it's STRAYDOGS, flipping different STRAYDOGS. If it's STRAYDOGS, flipping different STRAYDOGS.
When did they go to Japan? That was a hard song. Not as many vocal acrobatics as in Criminal, but still, I mean, just the intensity and aggressiveness of that song. It's that's pretty cool too. I think he's gonna do that solo on the concert. Oh man, I think you guys mentioned that during the Manila tour he had dance choreography too for these songs or something like that. But unfortunately, no backup dancers for the US tour, but everyone's saying that it was still lit. So I'm still excited and it's going to be fun. Next, we've got Josh Cullen with Get Right. Now, there was no official music video or performance. Well, I think this one's a performance video or something. I don't know. But everyone was saying just look for a performance video or a live. And this looked interesting. I saw like the first few seconds. But let's get into it. Josh Cullen, Get Right. I don't know if this is a screen recorder or something, but... They all have like different styles and for their solo stuff. It's so cool. Now he's wearing a microphone, but it's like a produced video, so I'm a little confused as to what's going on here. It's a cool song though. They're like going through a mall. We all know how malls are in the Philippines. Thriving. Meanwhile, here in North America, all the malls are dying. Kind of miss the malls. So this is definitely, I mean, obviously a lot more dance heavy than the other songs that we've listened to so far. Yeah. It'd be cool if the other SB19 members acted as backup dancers for all the solos. That was cool. And with that, guys, we're to our final original solo song with Josh Cullen's Wild Tonight. So far, yeah, each of the three members have had like completely different styles. Even though they're all rapping and everything, like the musical styles are all different too. But there's still one more song, and let's get to Wild Tonight. Play. Lyrics, captions on English, yes, perfect. 4K, awesome. And that is a cool logo, Josh Cullen. Well, we got another moon. Oh. Don't tell me vampire. Oh man. Wow, look at the production on this. There's his intense eyes again. This is cool. Oh, choreography too. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, now I wish they had all the background dancers in the concert. Calling out the Twilight. Oh, and of course Cullen. Oh, this is so cool. Those doctors, plague doctors or whatever. Visual eye candy all over the place. I was just gonna say, all his outfits have been cool, and then here he is with no outfit. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. Oh, that's a fun song. Yes, there is a performance video. Oh, and a wish bus. I wasn't planning on it, but I want to see the choreography. Let's see the performance version. All right, bonus for you guys. And bonus for me. That's what you get. This is your thank you for sticking to the end of this reaction video here. Wow, look at that. Yeah, I think this was a good choice to watch. That bass is just tickling my ears too. Guy rolling around on the floor. I think that's my favorite outfit right there. There's a lot going on here, but it's all choreographed really well. I like that la 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 too. Does he dance on this song during the concert? Well, I mean, there's this huge instrumental section, so he's got to do something, right? He's gonna dance solo. Or should I just be surprised? his throne of people. La la la. I already got that little riff down. Like, what would he do during that part on the concert? A lot of questions. But we will see tomorrow. That's tomorrow already. Oh my gosh. That was a great way to end this video. Guys, thanks so much for joining me. I really got to pack. I am so behind on this. Tomorrow is the concert. So excited. Again, if you're going to the San Francisco concert and you see me, just say hi. I might be a little shy or awkward. I haven't really been to any big concert like this before, so it's all going to be new to me. But yeah, just be friendly. Give me some tips while I'm there. And I'll see you guys there. Thanks so much for joining me. Until next time.